I'm super excited to review Bubzbeauty's Girl Next Door Lip Kit. Here's the packaging. And here's the packaging inside the packaging. I love that it's cruelty-free. And the box is very nice and sturdy. Nice mirror. Alright, here's the lip liner. I love that it's one of these twisty ones, so you don't have to ever sharpen it. Here's the swatch. Here's the liquid lip. And here's the swatch of the liquid lip. Itchy head. Whoops. Alright, just making faces. So I'm already wearing it, but I'm gonna show you how it applies. So I'm going to take it off now. And here we go. The lip liner goes on smoothly. It's not the smoothest and it's not the hardest, so I guess you can call it the Goldilocks. The color is very pink. Almost gives you that your lips but pinker, I would say. The liquid lip, I want to say, is not too drying, but it's not super moist either, so Goldilocks once again. And this is it. So I hope you enjoyed. Sorry about the faces, but I think it's a great everyday color. And that's all, folks.